Stop scrolling. Seriously, stop. Because if you keep living like this, life is gonna pass you faster than you can blink. Let me ask you something. When was the last time you actually felt proud of yourself? Not pretending, not lying. I mean genuinely proud. If your mind just went blank, that's your answer. You've been sleepwalking through life, repeating the same day over and over, calling it living. Scrolling, escaping, distracting yourself from the reality that deep down, you know you're made for way more than this. But here's the twist, life doesn't wait. Opportunities don't wait. Your dreams sure as hell don't wait. And one day, you'll wake up and realize you've wasted the one thing you can't ever get back, time. But you know what's crazy? You're still not too late. Not even close. Your story isn't ruined, it's just paused. Your potential didn't disappear, it's just covered under fear, laziness, and excuses. Your life can still take a completely new direction starting right now, with one decision. I'm done wasting my life. Because you don't need a perfect plan. You don't need motivation. You don't need everything figured out. You just need to move, even if it's slow, even if it's small, even if it scares you. Wake up early. Fix your habits. Cut the noise. Stop giving energy to people who drain you. Stop trying to impress people who don't care. Stop hiding behind tomorrow. You've already lost enough time. Don't lose the rest of your life. Listen, you're stronger than every bad day you survived. You're smarter than the failures that tried to break you. You're capable of more than the version of yourself you're pretending to be. And deep inside, you know this. You feel it. That little fire inside you. It's not dead. It's waiting for you to finally say, let's go. So stand up. Fix your posture. Take a breath. And start again. Not for motivation. Not for aesthetics. Not for social media. But for you, the real you. The one who knows they can build a life that actually feels good to wake up to. This is your comeback era. Your rebuild arc. Your main character moment. Life isn't giving you a second chance. It's giving you a choice. Pick yourself before it's too late.